Are you trying to choose between BlackRock and Vanguard? You're not alone. Many investors wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two investment giants. Both BlackRock and Vanguard offer a range of investment options. They help people invest in stocks, bonds, and other assets. But they have different approaches. Let's start with BlackRock. It's the largest asset manager in the world. BlackRock is known for its advanced technology and research. They focus on providing investment solutions for institutions and individuals. Their platform offers a variety of funds, including ETFs and mutual funds. Now, let's look at Vanguard. Vanguard is famous for its low cost index funds. They prioritize helping individual investors. Vanguard believes in a long term investment strategy. Their funds are designed to keep fees low, which can lead to better returns over time. So, what are the main differences? BlackRock has a wider range of investment options and advanced tools. They cater to both professionals and everyday investors. Vanguard, on the other hand, focuses on low cost investing. They are ideal for those who want to keep expenses down. When it comes to features, BlackRock offers sophisticated analytics and risk management tools. Vanguard provides a user friendly experience with a strong emphasis on education and resources for investors. In terms of pricing, Vanguard is generally more affordable due to its low fees. BlackRock's fees can vary depending on the type of investment you choose. In the end, if you want a broad range of options and advanced tools, BlackRock might be the right choice for you. But if you're looking for low cost, straightforward investing, Vanguard could be the better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.